Hey, if you want to increase sales fast for your business without AI funnels or cold calling, here's an example worth $78,000. I'll explain in a second. First, a question. Are you spending 90% of your time beating the bushes trying to persuade strangers to give you their money? If so, stop. Because there's an incredibly valuable and largely untapped group of buyers hidden in your business right now. Those buyers are your inactive clients. Think. In today's rotten economy, when it costs 6 or 7 times more to sell a new client than an existing one, you really need to find a way to tap the equity you've built over time with your existing clients. Enter the client reactivation campaign. You can see an example on your screen. It's page one of a 2-page letter we mailed to my clients' inactive clients, people that stopped buying from him for whatever reason, and it delivered $78,000 in new sales very quickly. Now, why do people stop buying? Well, I can tell you from 26 years of experience, it's not because they hate you or they moved away or they died. Those are all reasons they happen. But in the vast majority of cases, most people stop buying from you because they forgot about you. You can prove this for yourself right now. Name the last plumber, electrician, or handyman you called. Exactly. You can't remember. It's not your fault for forgetting those names because it's not your job to remember the people you do business with. Your clients are just the same. It's not their job to remember your name, no matter how fantastic your product or service is. And that's where a client reactivation campaign comes in. If you send the right letters and emails to past buyers with a message that says, "We miss you, we want you back, and here's something special for you," you can expect a predictable surge of new sales quickly because they already trust you and you know how to find them, and profitably because there is zero acquisition cost. They're already in your CRM. You might want to give this a try. Please like and subscribe for more marketing tips like these. And thanks for watching.